Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the League of Legends stuck on tutorial patching screen. So if you guys are a new player and you just started playing the League of Legends but stuck on a tutorial screen with a gray out patching button, you don't need to be panicked and do not reinstall. So this is one of the most common issue for new League of Legends players, and this is how you are going to fix it. So first, if you're using PC, Windows PC, you can just here click on a search and just go find the command prompt, or just click on or type in CMD and right click on the command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Okay, so the command prompt will be open just like this. Now what you need to do here on the command prompt, you can just write these three commands right here. 1, 2, 3. So type these commands one by one in here. Sorry. So you can just type this one by one and hit on enter after each command. So this will clear your DNS cache, reset your IP settings, and also fix any network socket errors. So after you finish enter this tree right here on a command prompt, you can just restart your PC and then just open the League of Legends again. So hopefully this will solve the problem. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.